Welcome back to what are we on here? Day 10 of going from $0 to $1,000 a month in recurring revenue, building Magic Wallpaper.io for Mac OS. If you are new here, that is basically it's a desktop application that lets you set any MP4 or MOV file as your live wallpaper, as well as gives you the ability to go and download a bunch of different ones, such as right now it's winter, it's snowing. That is, I believe I want to download it online, but anyways, I digress. So what we're doing today here is I'm going to go a little bit slower than normal and just walk you through a process. So I'm setting up LemonSqueezy for license management. And with that, I need to create a product. And with the product, I go ahead and set the price. And I'm actually going to have two products here. So the first one is just Magic Wallpaper, lifetime access to all features for one device. It's going to be a one-time payment, and I'm going to do $14.95. I feel like that's a good value for what you're getting out of it. It's kind of at that price point where for many people, and I know this isn't everybody, but for many people, where don't go to Starbucks for a day or two and you can pay for the app. It's just, I feel like that's reasonable for the value that's there. But what we've got here is for the media to show, basically represent the product during checkout on LemonSqueezy, for the license management. We need to make that image. So we are going to use Google Gemini. And what I have here is, let me make this a little bit smaller. I've just got a picture that I just took of the app. And we're going to feed that into Google Gemini and tell it to make us a kind of a sales page or whatever, sales product. So I'm logged in, going to add the app.png. I need a professional image to showcase the features of my app, Magic Wallpaper. The price for one device is $14.95. This app will let the user set any movie or MP4 file as their wallpaper or screensaver on Mac OS. This version is for lifetime access for one device. I already said that. So let's go ahead and see what that gives us. Go ahead and create. Oh, the image needs to be, what size did it say? 1600 by 1200. The features. Well, let's leave that. See what it gives us. Submit. And so this is Gosh, it's actually been a couple of days since I've been able to work on the app, so this is technically day 10, even though it's I've actually been working on it for, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks or so. Just been busy with work, so I'm excited to be able to take some time to keep pushing forward because the app is, let me just show you here. I think it's still in the background. Open Magic Wallpaper. I got to fix that. Oh. We're done. Ooh, look at this. Okay, I wonder if that's actually 1600 by 1200. Download. That was 10 minutes ago. Oh, it's still downloading. Okay. So we see Magic Wallpaper, set any MOV. All right, let's see. Okay, that's nice. Set any MOV or MP4 as your Mac OS wallpaper and screensaver. Lifetime access, single device license. Support for 1080 and 4K video. Sure, easy library management. That's fine. Get Magic Wallpaper now. Okay. So, a little bit of feedback. That is stunning. Please use this nice gradient as the background colors. And use the... We'll do it one thing at a time. I was going to say, let's go ahead and use the logo. Also incorporate the logo from this image in the showcase feature. Otherwise, what you provided is nearly exactly, which are nearly and exactly are the opposites, what I want. Let's see what we get here. So, anyways, so Magic Wallpaper is close to being ready. I'm setting up the license management, which is why I'm bringing you guys along here. So, if you haven't heard of LemonSqueezy, I'll leave a link down below. Honestly, if there's an affiliate program, I'll leave an affiliate link. If not, I'll leave it anyways. This has always perplexed my mind as far as how to handle license management for a desktop application. And so this makes it very, very, very easy. And the way that, honestly, that I found this is I use Screen Studio to record my videos, and it's what they were using. And so it was good enough for them. It's definitely good enough for me. Okay, cool. I mean, look at that. I don't even care that it has the Gemini thing down at the bottom. We're gonna use that. So download full size. All right, so I'm gonna after this downloads, I'm going to throw that into my LemonSqueezy, finish making the product, and then I'm also going to do a 1995, so for up to 3 devices, because I know a lot of us have more than just look how good that looks. I know a lot of us have more than one device, and just throw it out there. Anyways, we're past the 6-minute mark. This is about 2 or 3 times as long as most of my videos, but I just wanted to kind of go through this whole process with you guys. I hope it was helpful. Let me know down below. And I guess I'm off the next 2 days. Took vacation days to work on this. So I'll see